Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Flexclip video editor. So first step, you need to open Flexclip website, click on AI video generator. So once you are here, so here is the dashboard. Here you can see on the top there is the template section. You can see different templates here, and if you like any template you can save them into my templates. Okay, so here you can see that favorite. So once you done that, they will be added into this section of favorites and save as template. Click to save, so you can save templates here as well. And if you want to add media from your PC, so here you can see that you can click on upload files. So you can upload from phone, from local files, from Google Drive, from OneDrive, from Dropbox. And here is the box for the text. So you can use this to add different type of text to your video. And the next one is subtitles. So you can add subtitles here, and you can use this to add the male or female voice from here and click on generate from here. And the next one is videos, and if you find different videos, you can see different videos here. So you can add any video to the timeline like this, and you can use that video into your project. And the next tab is for images. You can use AI image generator as well on the top, or you can find different images from the Flexclip library. The next section is of the audio. You can find all audio, music or SFX that you want to use in your project. And the next tab is of elements. So you can find different shapes here, different socials, different GIF and different masks that you can use into your video to make your video or your project more engaging. And the next tab is about effects. So you can add different effects to your video. Here you can see example. So here you can see different effects that you can easily add into your video. So this effect is very common nowadays. And the next is about tools. So this is the main tool that you can use to generate video with the help of AI text to video. So this is the complete process how you can use Flexclip video editor. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.